Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era, and this is your boy Ahmed. And today we're going to look through the crypto market and we're going to see what's happening. So let's begin. I can't believe I'm saying this, ladies and gentlemen, but BTC is at 72,000 US dollars. Not long ago, maybe 6 months ago, no one wanted to touch it at 30,000 US dollars, and now it's at 72,000 US dollars, and everyone wants a piece of the pie. We're going up higher. We're going up to 100,000, 150,000, 200,000, and possibly 500,000 US dollars. We have Donald Trump on CNBC talking about BTC. A few years ago, he mentioned BTC and he wanted to get rid of Bitcoin completely. He believed that the US dollar was the best currency in the world and should be the only currency in the world. And now he is very bullish about BTC and bullish about crypto in general. So let's have a listen.
Well, it's taken its own life. I do little things sometimes for fun and, make money with it, but I have fun with it too.
You mean
NFTs.
You bought Bitcoin?
No, but I sometimes will let people pay through Bitcoin, or will let people get involved in a new, if you think of it, it's an additional form of currency. And I used to say, I want one currency, I want the dollar. I don't want people leaving the dollar, and I feel that way. But I will tell you, it has taken on a life. I did a thing that people smile at, but it was wild.
Countries are going to go off the dollar and they're going to use BTC as their reserve currency. Mark my words. Like it or not, Trump, it's going to happen. BTC is going to be the reserve currency for actual countries, actual national states. We have some news from Brian Armstrong. He's the CEO of Coinbase. He states we have US dollar backed stablecoins and they're starting to be fast and cheap, and they are really going to become the new rail instead of Swift or ACH. I have said this many times. I have said this. The foundation is being built right in front of our eyes. Swift is going to be replaced by stablecoins, US-backed stablecoins. The current system that we have right now is ancient, is prehistoric, and it's going to be replaced by crypto. I've said this many times. I've said this in the past, and I'm going to continue to say this. Crypto is going to be as powerful as the internet. The internet, what it done to radio and TV, crypto is going to do the same with financial markets. Crypto is going to completely swallow up shares, stocks, housing. It's going to completely disrupt the world that we're in right now. The next 5 to 10 years is not going to be like today. I promise you. He continues and he says in a statement as follows: the potential of this is much bigger. Meaning stablecoins, the potential of this is actually the chance to have Coinbase be someone's primary financial account in their life. The way that they do payments for everything, the way that they make payroll, and the way that they borrow and lend. So what he's trying to say is we're going to have one app to rule them all. And in this app, we're going to be able to borrow, we're going to be able to lend, we're going to be able to receive. We're going to be able to do everything that we want to do in just one single app. It could be X, it could be Twitter, or it could be Coinbase, could be Binance. Who knows? Some very important news coming up in the week ahead. Now on Tuesday, we have CPI. We have CPI inflation data coming out on Tuesday from tomorrow. And then some more very important news is the initial jobless claims data on Thursday. So that's coming out on Thursday. These two are very important 2 days. This is today's CPI. We have USA at 1.66, and then we have the United Kingdom, Banana Republic at 3.07%. And what you've been waiting for, crypto watch list for the week ahead. Ethereum Deacon upgrade is finally launching on March the 13th, which is 2 days from now. We have number 2, Arbitrum. 2.4 billion worth of ARB will be unlocked on March the 16th. This is one of the biggest token unlocks of 2024. And number 3, we have ETH beta players should do very well during the upgrade. This is going to radically reduce L2 fees. So we're going to get even more lower fees, and the speed in the transaction is going to be quicker. So this is definitely a beta play. I would definitely long Optimism, Mentis, Lido, Arbitrum, and the list goes on and on. There's so many L2 plays. I would definitely long these L2 plays. Number 4, we have Tau. Tau is rumored to be listed on Coinbase soon. And number 2, Nvidia is about to do a conference in less than 2 weeks. And that's going to be very, very big news for crypto in general, especially Tau. They're going to, normally these conferences, what they do is they release some new tech, some new information, just to get the market even more amped up, even more hyped up. So it's going to be very, very important. And Nvidia right now is just doing a massive tear. Trading view. And let me look for, where's Nvidia? Nvidia. Here we have Nvidia. Let me see the charts. And currently at $871. It's just epic. This is the monthly chart, and it looks like a meme coin, and it really does. It looks like a meme coin. So this is epic. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we still got more room to go for Nvidia. My ultimate target, I won't say my ultimate target, but my near term target is 1,100. I think we can get there very, very soon, and that's my target. But Nvidia is doing amazingly well. And finally, we have APT, Aptos, and 327 million worth of APT will be unlocked on March the 13th. And some honorable mentions is going to be meme coins. We have a meme coin website called the Meme Coin Supercycle. It was very interesting to look at. It's very interesting to look at and where we're heading. These are some of the most memorable meme coins at the moment. Clearly leading the pack is Dogecoin, and then we have number 2 Sheeb, and then number 3 we have Pepe, and number 4 we have Dog with Cat. To be honest, I want to see something original. They're all just very, very simple. Some people from the community are trying to put a hat on a stadium in Vegas, and so far have raised some money. They're trying to raise $650,000 US. This is a moment when things get from crazy to even more crazy, from wild to wilder. Right now, there's a fundraise happening, and they're trying to put a cap on a stadium in Vegas, and they're trying to raise $1 million, $650,000 US. Right now, they've already raised some money, and let's see how much money they've raised. Right now, they've raised $316,000 US to put a hat on top of a stadium in Las Vegas. So things are about to get even more crazier. So buckle up, guys. Oh, you haven't seen crazy yet. I promise you, this is nothing. You're going to see mania. This is nothing. We're not even close to mania at the moment. So things are about to get more and more crazy as the days unfold. I forgot to tell you, hey guys, I forgot to tell you about my shitcoin. It's really pumping. I was kind of surprised. I thought that ship has sold, but looks like it's pumping, and we're about to breach all-time new highs. We're about to get to all-time new highs. We broke this level of resistance. We broke this resistance, we formed it as support, and now we're heading up higher. So it looks like we might be able to break the all-time new high and go further and higher. Volume looks good. Hey, my shitcoin is pumping finally. Anyway, let's get back to some serious alpha. Let's get back to some serious plays. BTC price targets currently at $72,405. We've gone up 4.98%, a whopping 5%. We've smashed through resistance. We've literally smashed through it. And we went up from wick to wick 8.59%. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no stopping BTC at the moment. There is nothing stopping it. And it's just going higher and higher. And normally it doubles in less than 30 days or around 30 days once it breaks the all-time high. So we have another 10% to get to 80,000 US dollars. I think we're going to get to 80,000, and then my next target is going to be the psychological numbers, of course, like 90,000 US dollars. Here we have it, 90,000 US dollars, and then 100,000 US dollars. We're going. That's another 40% increase. I believe we can get there. And right now, BTC is unstoppable. Altcoins are bleeding. Small caps and low caps are really bleeding. At the moment, large caps are doing pretty fine. And BTC is doing exceptionally well. And it's very straightforward. Next target, 80K, then 90, then 100K. These are psychological levels that people look for. Whole numbers. This is what they all look for. BTC dominance. This is what we call in the industry as distribution. This is distribution right here. So let me show you on the monthly. Let me just zoom out and let me give you a better. Let me get rid of all of this mess from our previous. This is what we call in the industry as distribution. This means we're heading down 110 million%. I don't care how bullish some people are about BTC dominance and how we're going to go higher and further. It's done. It's over. Finito. We've made all-time new highs, yet we're here. The BTC dominance is here. And lower lows. As you can see, we're making higher lows and lower lows. Trend line from here to here. And then we have another trend line from here to here, which is making higher lows. Yet the BTC price is at 73,000 US dollars. It's over. It's done. We're in distribution, and altcoin season is upon us. This is going to be life-changing money, life-changing gains for the whole space. If you've never witnessed altcoin season, literally in the matter of 2 to 3 weeks, your portfolio can 10x in a matter of 2 weeks. So this is pivotal that you just sit on your hands. That's all you need to do. You just need to sit on your hands and you're going to see what happens next. Ethereum BTC chart, price targets, currently at 0.05 BTC. We're going to break this trend line. We're definitely going to end up breaking this trend line. It has to be done. And we are making lower lows and higher highs. So this is very, very bullish. And as I said, we're going to break this trend line. BTC CME's future looks healthy, looks fine, and it's at $73,440. There's no gaps, there's no CME gaps at the moment, so we're fine. This is another example of the BTC dominance. We have leg 1, leg 2, then we have top distributions just here. Our next resistance is at $4,461, and then ultimately My next resistance is the previous all-time high, which was $4,951. I remember in the previous bull run, I remember selling all my Ethereum 4,300 mark. It wasn't the absolute top, but it was definitely near the absolute top. I remember also buying at near the bottom, which was, let me show you, which was $120. I bought it for $120, and I remember selling it at 4,300 US dollars. Besides that, I believe we're gonna definitely break all-time new highs. I think we're very close to all-time new highs, which is 22% away from all-time new highs. So we just literally, this is definitely the easiest play. This is definitely the easiest play on the book. I did say this when it was around here, and it's gone up 246%. So congratulations to everyone that did that long and bought Ethereum. They're up approximately 2,400. They're approximately up 246%. So shout out to all my private members club. You know my motto, it's clear skies ahead. Blue skies and clear skies ahead at the moment. Solana price targets currently at $146.45. So up 1.43%. Like I said, we're going to consolidate for a little while. We're going to let BTC and ETH do the play. We're going to let BTC and ETH do their thing. And at the moment, we're just going to consolidate just above the previous high. We don't have long now. There's a lot of movement happening in Solana at the moment. It's so similar to when ETH had this kind of momentum and movement. We've got meme coins happening on Solana. Meme coin mania is happening in Solana, and there's a lot of movement and a lot of fees being directed to Solana holders. And at the moment, we're just consolidating. At the moment, we're just going to consolidate just above $152. And then after that, my next target is at $200. That's the previous all-time high, but the absolute high was at $269.98. That was the absolute top. I think we can definitely get to there. So from here, which is $152, to here is 260. That's only a 71% increase. Okay, pay attention, folks. This is Arbitrum. It's a beta play to Ethereum. You have to pay attention because it's about to rip. Currently at $2.08. It's up 1.06%, which is consolidated just between this massive trend line, and we're about to rip. It's about to rip, and Ethereum is about to go parabolic. It's about to make all-time new highs, and Arbitrum, Optimism, Mentis, Mantle, these layer 2 protocols are about to bounce. They're about to do a massive pump. Chainlink currently at $21, and it's down 2.69%. It's just consolidating right here. We had a pump, and I did say we're gonna probably get to $25. We didn't reach my target, but we're just consolidating at $20. It's just going from strength to strength. We're making higher highs and higher lows, and then we're making bull flags. As you can see, we made a bull flag here, pumped up, bull flag here, pumped up, bull flag, pump. That's all I'm looking for. And Ethereum and Chainlink is definitely leading the way. I used to hold Chainlink. I don't hold any at the moment at all. Zero. Currently at $46.98. It's currently up a whopping 11.75%. About to break the previous local high, which was $50. We're just about to break it. And AVAX looks like it's about to go on another run. So it's called trickle down economics. Remember this. So first BTC pumps, then Ethereum pumps, then larger cap pumps, then medium cap pump, and then finally small cap, tiny micro caps. That's how trickle down economics works. As you can see, this is the chart here. Let me show you from, oh, sorry, my bad. Let me get rid of this. Let me put this here. Okay, from here to here, we have a trend line. Yep. And then we have another trend line from here to here. So we're just making an ascending triangle. And what I'm looking for is ascending triangle like this. And we're going to pump. Now, to find the local top and bottom is probably from here to here. To get a rough estimate of where the price could go is you get it from here to here, and then you place the line here, and then the next price is $88. The next price target, my next price target is $88. I will definitely place a long here. I would wait for a pullback, or if I see a confirmation above that trend line, at least a few days above that trend line, that's a confirmation for me, and I would long this coin. Currently, I don't hold any AVAX. Like I said, I just love the project. I love the UI and the UX of this project. Dogecoin price targets currently at 17 cents, and it's up 2.25%. We're just making a bull flag, ladies and gentlemen. So we're just consolidating, making a bull flag, and we're gonna go up higher. I did say this to you last time. We made a massive consolidation period, and now we're going up higher and further. This is bull market territory, and the herd is here. Like it or not, Dogecoin is a massive indicator. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have mint layer road to 1x. At the moment, it's on struggle street, and it's been on struggle street for a very long time now. Almost 2 months we've been moving sideways. We made a dump right here, and we broke some pivotal marks. Now we broke this support line, which was at 53 cents. I did say in a previous show that we need to close and return above that support. We didn't hold this support, and unfortunately we fell hard to the next support line, which is at 44 cents. As you can see, it kissed exactly on my support line. So it hit 44 cents, and then we made a dead cat bounce. Volatility doesn't mean anything. It doesn't tell you the direction of where the coin is going. We just made a dead cat bounce, and one positive thing that I did notice was volume. The volume stepped back in, and we'll just see what the buyers do next. If we hold above this support line of 44 cents, if we don't hold above this support line of 44 cents, then my next support is at 42, and then hopefully we don't get there, but worst case scenario is at 34 cents. The token unlock is on the 21st, so literally 10 more days until the token unlock. The last time we had a token unlock, we did have a dump. So we had it on the 21st of February. So it was on this date. So we literally dumped on that date. From here to there, we dumped 16% from wick to wick. So I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but normally when a token unlock happens, we do tend to dump. So we're going to see what happens next. But at the moment, let's just hope buyers step back into the market and we can reclaim 53. It's very, very important on the weekly. So let's look at the weekly and zoom out a little bit more. Let me get rid of all of this. This is the weekly right here. We still look fine as long as we can hold this previous all-time high. We should be fine. We are making a bull flag on the weekly, and we are making a bull flag on the weekly. We just need to break past this parallel descending pattern, and it's still bullish. This is a bull flag. If we zoom back out, this is definitely a bull flag, and we're fine. Even if we get to the likes of 41 cents, 39 cents, 35 cents, we're pretty much fine. Ladies and gentlemen, mint layer is still a good buy. I will buy the dip and I'll carry on buying the dip. Yes, I sound like a broken clock, but this thing will bounce. Let altcoins, let BTC continue going on its run. BTC, this is what it does. It goes on a massive run for the next 30 to 60 days, swallows up liquidity, and then what happens is that money rotates into the crypto market, and mint layer will have its moment to shine. If you don't have any money, sit on your hands. Do not panic sell. The whales want you to panic sell. They want you to get out of the market just before the cusp of a massive pump. This is what they want to do to you. They want to scare you. They want to buy cheaper coins. They want to make you sell. They don't want you to carry on buying. They want to make you sell. So what they're going to do is they're going to continue to manipulate the markets, and we might see lower prices of 35 cents. God knows, maybe 28 to 27. They just want to shake people out and gives them a greater opportunity to buy at lower prices. So don't let them ever scare you out of your positions. When you was right all along, road to 1000x is not easy. It is not easy. There's so many bumps along the way. Hold tight, my friends, and then we're gonna see blue skies. Guys and girls, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this content. Make sure you comment as well. Let the algorithm see it. Before I go, I just want to say to all my Muslim viewers, happy Ramadan. I hope you have a blessed Ramadan. I hope you have a good Ramadan. This is your boy Ahmed from Altcoin Era. So wherever you are, good morning, good evening, good night.